Miss Lunch Trauma writes, Nadia, every day at work, the guy at the desk next to mine eats a big sandwich like he's aggressively making mouth love to it. Please help. I don't want to quit, but one more day of this and I might have to staple his gross mouth shut and stick the sandwich right up his inconsiderate ass. Do you mind? Miss Lunch Trauma, here's what I would do. This is a Carolina Reaper, hottest chili pepper in the world. Put one of these right in the middle of that slob's sub, and when he bites down on it, let's just say, even though he will still be making quite a racket, the sound of his painful crying and vomiting will be like music to your ears. You're welcome.